Today I'm going to be DIYing some fun art for my bedroom. I've been wanting to hang up some more artwork, and instead of buying it, I thought why not make it. So today I'm going to be using this reference photo I found on Pinterest of a balloon dog, and it looks a little bit chromatic, and I'm going to be doing this in white colored pencil. And basically how I approach this is start by using my ruler and a very light graphite HB pencil to do the basic shapes and markings, and then of course I go in with my white colored pencil, attacking the more highlighted areas first and then gently shading with more or less depending on how the reflection is based on the reference photo. So keep watching to see this balloon dog piece of artwork come to life. And there we have it. My balloon dog drawing is done. Look at how little that colored pencil is now. And I can't wait to go get a little frame and hang this puppy up. Come back soon for more DIY videos.